Ever wondered how to grow perfect carrots in your backyard? Today, we'll debunk the carrot growing myth and share with you the secrets to cultivating this root wonder. From the right soil composition to the ideal seed variety, the proper planting depth, optimal watering schedules, and efficient pest management, we'll cover all the essentials. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in nurturing bountiful, flavorful carrots right in your own garden. Ready to uncover the secrets of growing carrots? Let's dive in. First things first, soil preparation. A great harvest begins with the right foundation. The bedrock of any successful garden, especially when it comes to growing carrots, is well-prepared soil. It's all about creating the ideal home for your carrot seeds to take root and flourish. So what makes for ideal soil conditions for our crunchy friends? Carrots prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH. That's somewhere between 6 and 7 on the pH scale. But don't worry if your soil isn't quite there. Amendments like lime for overly acidic soil or sulfur for overly alkaline soil can help balance things out. Texture is another crucial factor. Carrots love a loose, sandy soil that allows their roots to easily penetrate and grow straight down. Hard, compacted soil? No, thank you. That's a surefire way to end up with misshapen or stunted carrots. Now let's talk nutrients. While carrots aren't overly needy, they do appreciate a fertile soil. This is where compost and organic matter come into play. Not only do they enrich the soil with essential nutrients, but they also improve drainage, preventing waterlogged conditions that carrots despise. So roll up your sleeves and prepare to get a little dirty, because the first step to a bountiful carrot harvest is getting that soil just right. With your soil well prepared, you're ready for the next step: seed selection. Now that your soil is ready, it's time to choose your seeds and plant them. Carrot cultivation begins with quality seeds, and the best seeds are those that are fresh and disease-free. You can source these from reputable garden centers or online seed banks. Look for varieties that are suitable for your climate and soil type. Timing is crucial in the world of gardening. Ideally, you should plant carrot seeds in early spring, when the soil temperature is around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. However, with the right preparations, you can also grow carrots throughout the year. Proper planting depth and spacing are key to ensuring your carrots have enough room to grow. Sow your seeds about 1/4 of an inch deep and space them 1 to 2 inches apart. This gives your carrots ample room to grow and flourish. After planting your seeds, it's important to provide them with consistent moisture. Watering is a delicate balance. Too much water can drown your seeds, while too little can hinder their growth. A good rule of thumb is to keep the soil slightly moist at all times. Remember, patience is a virtue in gardening. Carrot seeds take their sweet time to germinate, usually about 14 to 21 days, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. With your seeds in the ground, you're well on your way to a successful carrot harvest. But there's one more crucial step: pest management. Growing carrots is a rewarding journey, but it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles you'll face is pests. These uninvited guests can turn your dream of a bountiful harvest into a nightmare. However, fear not, because we're here to help you navigate this issue. Carrots are often targeted by a variety of pests. The most common culprits include carrot flies, wireworms, and nematodes. Carrot flies are especially notorious. Their larvae feed on the roots, causing tunnels and discoloration. Wireworms and nematodes, on the other hand, can cause significant damage to the root system. So, how do you protect your carrots from these pests? Let's start with organic methods. Crop rotation is a simple yet effective strategy. By changing the location of your carrots each year, you can prevent pests from becoming established in one place. Companion planting is another great tactic. Planting onions or leeks near your carrots can deter carrot flies, as these plants mask the scent of carrots. In addition to organic methods, non-organic options are also available for pest management. Pesticides can be used, but they should be a last resort. Remember, always choose pesticides approved for use on carrots and follow the instructions carefully. With these pest management techniques, you're well equipped to protect your carrots and ensure a bountiful harvest. And there you have it, the secrets to growing perfect carrots in your backyard. Let's recap. Begin with a deep, well-drained soil, rich in organic matter. Choose the right seeds for your climate and plant them at the correct depth. Maintain a consistent watering schedule and keep a vigilant eye on pests. These simple yet crucial steps can yield a bountiful harvest of crisp, flavorful carrots. Now, you're ready to embark on your journey to carrot mastery. Happy gardening!